Hello? Hello?
Hello? Who the fuck you talking to, motherfucker? Who is it?
What?
Stupid motherfucker.
What?
If you call my fucking house again, bitch, I'ma tell you this.
Who is this?
Don't call my fucking house with no bullshit. You just fucked
Okay.
up.
Hello?
You kiss my fucking black ass. That's what the fuck you do. Don't call my fucking house. Kiss my motherfucking ass.
Hey, he said pissed off. He didn't want to talk to you.
Motherfuck you.
Who is
You
this?
don't fuck somebody if you call some faggot. Don't call my fucking house no more.
Oh, shit. Shit.
Stupid
Fuck me
motherfucker.
up, man.
Motherfucker.
I know, but dude, I'm scared. Hey, fuck up.
You know who you fucking talking to?
Oh, shit. What, motherfucker?
Don't call me, I'm a man, motherfucker.
What?
Motherfucker.
What?
Don't call my fucking house.
I will fuck you up, dude.
I'll kick your money motherfucking ass.
I will fuck your mother in the ass.
I'll knock your fucking head off with your shoulder.
Who the fuck are you?
Kiss my motherfucking ass, bitch.
What?
You suck my motherfucking ass.
Who the fuck are you? Why you keep calling this number?
You. Don't call my fucking house.
Dude, you will get your ass beat. You have no idea.
Well, help, you gotta go get the fuck back on the
Keep
banana
fucking with me
boat.
right now. Keep fucking with me.
Your mama motherfucker, that's your motherfucker.
What?
Your mama motherfucker, that's your motherfucker.
Who the fuck are you?
If you call my fucking house again, bitch, I'ma tell you this.
You don't know who the fuck you're talking to right now.
You know who you talking to, boss?
What?
You know who you fucking talking to?
Hey. Hello?
Hello. Who is this?
You call me? Hey, motherfucker.
I'll come kill you, nigger. You a goddamn dick sucker. You know
Don't
what?
call on this phone.
You need to quit calling my number, you fucking nigger.
Why ain't you calling this number?
I don't know who the hell you are, you black son of a bitch, but I ain't called your fucking house, you fucking nigger.
I will fuck you up, you piece of shit, motherfucker.
I ain't called your house, you stupid ass. Don't call my phone back.
Your ass right now.
Look, you son of a bitch, I ever find out where you're at, you're fucking dead.
Motherfucker.
Bitch, I'll be right over there.
You're black, aren't you?
I don't know who the hell you are, you black son of a bitch, but I ain't called your fucking house, you fucking nigger.
Hello.
You know, I'm about tired of you got that calling me. I'm recording calls. The phone company's recording. You need to quit calling my number. You piece of shit. Okay.
Fuck you!
None of your damn business and kiss my ass.
What up, dog? Don't call me!
Somebody's gonna put you in the ground if I ever find out who you are. You need to quit calling my number. You fucking nigger. You're where? Bitch. I'd be right over there. It's about 3.2 seconds, bitch.
Hey, who's gay?
Tell me where you're at. You're where?
Hello?
Tell me where you're at. You're where?
Say what?
You're where?
This is Harpo's, man.
Bitch. I do right about 3.2 seconds.
Harpo's you just called.
Bitch. I do right over
You
there.
feel stupid.
You need to quit calling my number. You son of a bitch, you better quit calling my number.
Who is this?
You need to quit calling my number. You fucking nigger.
You have no life.
You goddamn dick sucker. You know what? You piece of shit.
You have no life. You're sitting here calling this payphone over and over again because you're a Hoosier and have no life. You stupid nigger.
You a goddamn dick sucker. You know what?
What do you want?
Hello.
Central Sitting Morgue, you kill him, we kill him. How can I help you?
Somebody's gonna put you in the ground if I ever find out who you are.
Excuse me?
I ain't called you, lady, so I don't know who you are. No, I got a trace on my phone. That's tracing your fucking name, bitch. You a goddamn dick sucker. You know what?